As someone who likes a bargain, I thought it'd be worth having a quick look at the Seedrs secondary market. So this is for Seedrs. If you don't know, Seedrs is a place where ordinary investors, everyday investors, can go and invest in young, early stage companies. Some of these are a lot more developed than others, but this is generally where you can come in very early with some companies. One of the big names you'd recognise here is Revolut, probably currently valued at £27.9 billion. Republic at £1 billion. Those are the two biggest fundraise and valuations that Seedrs have had. And we can see the change on the Revolut shares since investors first had a chance to get involved with those, up 5,000%, so a 50-fold increase, and there's a total of 3,517 investors there. But there's a particular company I want to show you which is of interest to myself, being a big shareholder. This is Happy Drinks Group, currently valued at £67.4 million, up 282%. So not up 50-fold, but up basically almost 3 times. It's 2,400 investors, and this far column here, we can see the number of shares, or the value of the shares that are currently available on the secondary market. So people, of these 2,400 investors in Happy Drinks Group, in the secondary market, and the fair value price, current value price is £14.46. We can see some people here have sold shares on the secondary market. So the cheapest someone sold some for, they sold 100 for £7.10 each, so £710 worth. So they've sold their shares. They're having presumably made a reasonable profit on the rise of those shares, but having sold at a 51% discount to the current price. And if we just scroll down this list, we can see, let's just go and see what the highest value one was. Looks like this one. £9.39, 2 shares sold there at £18.78 in total. They were sold, so that's a £35 discount to the current share price. All these rest that have been listed are unfulfilled at the moment. There's always going to be a liquidity issue with privately owned shares. However, if Happy Drinks goes on and becomes a public entity, then obviously all these holders could go and sell their shares. So in total, there's £140,000 of the shares for sale, but we've got to discount £11,000 here, where someone's asking for 5 times the current valuation. So about £130,000 of the shares available for sale, and the lowest price that these went for were for £7.10. But there's another area, another platform where you can buy drinks in Happy Drinks Group, and that's with VCCrowd. We can see here on VCCrowd, Happy Drinks Group, same company. There's Happy Drinks Company listed here, but it's the same company, Happy Drinks Group. And we can see here we've got sell, ask offers. This is the internal secondary market at VCCrowd. This is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So this is open all the time. But there are people here selling 115 at 62 pence each. Now this isn't 62 pence relative to £7.10. These are shares that are split 1 to 10. So this is the equivalent of £6.20 compared to the Seedrs price, is £7.10 that they sold. So still a pretty big discount from the current value share price, which on VCCrowd is £1.50. So you can pick up these shares at almost 1/3 of their true value with VCCrowd. So there's a link in the description. If you'd like to join VCCrowd, you can use my personal invitation link. That will also get you a bonus quantity of shares when you first start. So if you're interested in a company like Happy Drinks, which are expanding rapidly, they are supplying their drinks under their own brands and also to the brands of supermarkets such as Marks and Spencer's, then this is still looking a very good, interesting company. Like I said, since they arrived on Seedrs, up 282%. They were on VCCrowd before they got to Seedrs, so those in VCCrowd, there are many investors there who have got them at an even better gain at VCCrowd. So you can join VCCrowd for free. Like I said, there'll be a bonus where you can join there, or you can join Seedrs as well if you want to. But if you want the best price, VCCrowd is the place to go to. There's also weekly update webinars with VCCrowd, but there's a link to Seedrs as well in the description if you want to join the Seedrs. But hopefully that gives you a bit of an eyesight, bit of an inside view, as it were, on an exciting company there, Happy Drinks, and how you can get those at an even better price than Seedrs. So check the link in the description. If you've got any questions, do pass them in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.